In today's video, I am going to teach you how to collapse or expand toggles in Notion. If you are working in Notion and your page is getting a little long, toggles are a great way to keep things tidy. A toggle is simply a collapsible section that can hide details until you are ready to see them. Think of it like a drawer on your page. Closed when you want a clean overview. Open when you need the full contents. Let's start with the fastest way to control all the toggles on a page at once. With your Notion window active, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T if you are on Windows or Linux, or press Command plus Option plus T if you are on a Mac. Press the keys together and you'll see every toggle on the page either expand or collapse in one go. If everything is open, the shortcut will close them. If everything is closed, the shortcut will open them. This works beautifully when you want a quick snapshot of your page without the clutter, or when you need to reveal all the details before a meeting or review. It also respects nested content, so toggles within toggles are handled consistently. If it doesn't seem to work, make sure Notion is the active app and check that your system doesn't have another shortcut bound to the same keys. Now, when you only want to adjust a single section, use the toggles arrow on the left side of that line. Move your mouse to the left of the toggle item and click the small arrow. When the arrow points to the right, the toggle is closed. When it points down, it's open. Clicking it again switches it back. This gives you fine control, letting you open just the part you need without disrupting the rest of your page. It's especially helpful for organizing notes, meeting agendas, or documentation where you want a clean outline and the ability to dive deeper on demand. A quick tip as you use toggles: keep related information under the same toggle so you can expand a topic all at once. This keeps your workspace clean and your focus sharper. And remember, the more you rely on toggles for structure, the more useful that all toggles shortcut becomes. To recap, use Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows or Linux, or Command plus Option plus T on Mac to open or close all toggle lists, and click the small arrow to the left of any toggle to control that one individually. Thanks for watching.